Listen, look, man, we're back in bag season. Oh, man, look, I can't stress this enough. Listen, I know last week, this previous week, you know what I'm saying, we took a few losses. Some of the trades didn't fall like they needed, and that's only due to the fact that the SPY was in consolidation. You know what I mean? It was getting ready for the upcoming week. Man, what's happening here is this is why we had a rough week. The S&P 500 created a new high, right? But it started to pull back and consolidate. Then here we go Friday. This was the pivot point for the market, meaning it's about to come back, break that previous high, and create a new high. This happens over and over and over again. Listen, stay with me, man. It's bag season. That's all I have to say. Now, this is proof of the market creating new highs, right? So all the market does, this is the normal movement of the market. Once you understand this, you'll be able to print money. Let me say it again. Once you understand this, you will be able to print money. I'm telling you, on any stock, any trade, man. Listen. So we look here. All the market does is it creates a high. It pulls back to the average true range line, right? And then takes back off to create a new high. So we can go here with the Fibonacci extensions. The previous high there hit that low. Guess what happened a few days later? Boom, 1272 extension. The high there, broke that down. Bam, 1272 extension. I could do this over and over all day. The previous high in that area, get the low, bam. A few days later, pops out. All right, this is crazy. Now we're about to get into some of the plays for this upcoming week. We're about to get into a few of these plays here. I want to take these off real quick. And this is about to blow y'all mind. And I already laid out the game plan. I got the options contracts you need to purchase and everything. The team is going to eat this week. Also, by the way, before I get off the SPY, yes, it's going to make a move to $472 this upcoming week. It's going to create that new high. So I got an options contract for you to purchase as well. All right, so let's get into it. All right, so Netflix. We gotta move. We gotta move. Listen, I actually told the team about this play back in here, but we got out too early because it was too much going on in the market, and I was a little unsure, but I should have known, man. I know my plays. You gotta trust the process. I know how this stuff works. I just slipped up on that trade because the market was, kind of playing with money all week. But this week, like I said, we got a pivot point. This is a turning point back to the upside. So with Netflix, there's still some fuel in the tank. You still can get some money. This bad boy going up to 703 this week, baby. Listen, Shopify, that bad boy already gone. It's already gone. It already hit the 1272 Fibonacci extension. So it's done for. But guess what happened on Shopify? Friday, in one day, contracts went up over 30,000%. 30,000. Shopify moved $179 in one day. So options contracts took off 35,000%. You can go back and do your research on that. $100. If you would have put that in here, the next day you would have made upwards of $35,000. Not $3,500, $35,000. This is the benefit of trading options. All right, let's keep it going. So that play is done. I don't recommend that one, but these are the ones I recommend. Google, beast mode. Let me erase that. Check this out. It hit a high. Remember the formation. Remember the criteria that I was talking about earlier. Bam. It has a high. Pull back to the average true range line. Now it's ready to break back out and create new highs. This bad boy getting up to 30.45 this week. Watch what I tell you. WFC created a high, pulled back with the market. Now it's ready to pop back out. It's going to hit 53.48. Adobe, back to back. Now is the time, man. Now is the time to eat. I'm telling y'all, it's bag season again. Look, Adobe, pull back, hit the average true range line. Friday was pivot day, ready to bounce back up to the upside. It's going to hit 686 this week. These are all hitters, y'all. I'm telling you. Apple, oh wait, nasty. Pull back. See, it tried to break out here, couldn't do it. The market was too strong. Pulled it back down, but guess what? It's buy time. It's buy time right here. Get in these plays Monday. Ride the wave all week. That bad boy going up to 154. Amazon. Oh, wait. This bad boy about to take off. It's about to create a new high to 36.46. Okay, now, like I said earlier, I already mapped everything out for you. All you got to do is get into plays. I already calculated how much you can get in everything. Okay, so with the SPY, you get in the SPY, you should make upwards of 200% gain. Get these debit spreads. I'm not doing regular calls. No, not naked calls. Debit spreads work amazingly. You know what I mean? So look, you can spend $28 per debit spread and make a maximum profit of $72 by the end of the week. ABT, that's next on the list. Now you can see the contracts that you need to buy here. You sell the top contract, buy that bottom one. So 131 call, sell that. Then you buy the 130 call for $24. I mean, this is for anyone with a small budget. This can get you in the game good. $24. Get a max profit of $75 by the end of the week for a 312% gain. WFC, 614% gain. I'm gonna quickly go through these so I can finish up this video. Now listen, you can spend $7 and have a max profit of $43 by the end of the week. So you can just rack up on these contracts. I'm telling you, it's bag season again. I already mapped out everything for you. That's 614% gain. Apple, you can make upwards of 500%. Let's look at that. These are the contracts you need to buy to get the debit spread. Look, $39 can turn into $211 by the end of the week. It's bag season. Netflix, $128 can turn into $372. That's 290% gain. Google, 354% gain. Bam, these are the contracts you need to buy. $220 turn to $780 by the end of the week. Adobe, that's the one I got my eye on. Very cheap, big percentage gain. $53 for these contracts on the debit spread. 843% gain. Max profit $447. Crazy numbers. Amazon, everyone's favorite. Listen, 480% gain. You spend $172, you can have a max profit of $827 by the end of the week, because all these contracts should get in the money as long as they hit that 1272 Fibonacci extension, and we're going to eat this week. So don't get discouraged. Stay focused, stay in the game, and let's get this paper this week, man. Let's get to it.